Hey, what's going on, guys? I have a car meet to show up to tonight. Starts at 10. Sorry about the weird camera angle. And before I go, I would just like to do an oil change on my car. Did I say car show? I meant car meet. Anyway, we're gonna head off to Walmart to grab ourselves some 5W20 and a new oil filter. So let's go ahead and get on the road. That oil pan was $2. I've got a dude behind me I'm playing around with. We just keep getting on and off the gas. I don't know who that guy was, but I'm pretty sure that was a Subaru WRX. Ooh, I haven't had this up in a while. It looks nice. She needs washed, but I think we'll skip the wash today. Right now, doesn't really show up on camera, but there's a bunch of dirt over there. And yeah, that was from last night going to work. But we've got our oil filter and oil pan. Jack is in the garage. Let's go ahead and do this. Well, I found out why my car's been riding like a bag of dicks. Check that out. Tie rod is popped off. I'm not quite sure how I'm gonna be able to fix that, but I'm definitely gonna try. I managed to snap it back in there, but I was able to do it by hand, so I highly doubt that it's gonna stay. I'm not quite sure what I'm gonna do about that. Probably definitely have to go to a shop to get that replaced. Job security? Technically, this isn't even a job. This is just something I like to do, so everything's a little hot right now. Yeah, she's a little toasty. We'll set her up anyway. Exhaust runs right by the oil pan. And as you can see, it's very constrictive. I like how there's a cat there. I know that's a pre-cat, and then it runs right into another cat. Wow, that was on there. Alright, so the oil drain bolt isn't coming out, which is a first because I've never had any issues with removing that. But we're just going to give it a couple minutes to cool off and see if that helps. Is it not going? Yeah, there it is. Hey, sweet, man. Oh, I appreciate it, dude.
No problem, man. Take care.
You too, man. You got any type of like social media I could plug your? I appreciate it, dude. I don't know if you guys just saw that, but somehow he got this come loose right on. I knew something was up. I got him over here and I saw him, he wasn't able to get that off there. I was like, you must be joking. But I gave him a pair of pliers and he just wranked that off there. Ow. Alright, that's back on there, and now we just gotta yank that oil filter off. I'm not quite sure what's going on, but I think my car just despises me today. It's like, oh, you wanna go run me? Don't you dare, don't you think about it. She's mad. I'll be back whenever I get this off here. My GoPro batteries are dead, so I'm using my phone. I finally got this stupid thing off. I took a break for a second, went inside, ate an apple, came back out. And this was literally in the span of 5 minutes, and I just came back out and wrenched on it and it came right out. A little bit of metal shavings on the threads in here, but that'll be all right. Shouldn't harm the motor considering it's going straight into the filter. And that's how a 20-minute oil change turns into a 1.5 hour struggle. Man, she's slurping that down. This engine takes about 5.5 quarts of oil. So let's see, what do we got left in here? We got about 1 quart in there. Fill the rest of her up if she still needs more. We got another brand new one sitting right here. She started right up. We're just gonna let the oil warm up to about the halfway mark, and then we'll shut it off and check out and make sure we got enough oil. What is that doing out? Check that out. Perfect first try. Right on the money, right in the middle. Well, you can't win at everything. We made a little mess. It'll be all right. That looks pretty clean. That's about it. Focus. Yeah, just tiny little flakes. I don't see anything else anywhere. Oh, hi. Yeah, hi. I said I wasn't gonna wash the car, but we are just gonna wash off crap like that. Literal crap. Because we don't want to walk up into a car meet looking like this. I mean, come on now. That's gross. A little lower, you can't really see it, but I changed my mind. Anytime I clean my car, I know I have to have it at least somewhat decently clean. So we're gonna hit it with just a little bit of wash and wax. All I gotta do now is wait. Let's see what time it is. It starts in about 3 hours, so I will see you guys then.